No. No, you don't be like that. You don't be like that with us. Don't be like that with us. Why are you like that? Why are you like that?
You disrespect nyo!
No.
Yes, I know. You have to respect our mayor.
Why do you have to make kasama like that? Why? Why?
Respeto lang.
Somebody should film this. Film it. You film it. You film it.
He's got the cam. You film also. He's filming it. You film also. Nag-letter, sir. Nag-letter. Yes.
Don't shout. Hanggang bugbog ka, kapitan.
Nag-letter, sir. Siyempre, for respect. Kuyugin mo eh.
Kuyugin.
Why? We didn't send a letter to
Siyempre,
them.
kuyugin, sir.
We sent a letter to
Yes, sir.
you.
You send me a letter.
Okay.
Okay.
So?
So, I will disrespect you. So, I will...
I know you
I
disrespect
will
me.
respect.
Disrespect. You
No,
use the word
no.
disrespect.
I will
Wait,
respect.
wait. So if you respect us, leave us alone.
No.
Why?
Why? Mayor Melesio na kapitan.
Aming nga kapitan may, sir.
Awan ko na sa kapitan ngayon may nagkastik ang close kapitan.
Hospitalan nyo may kami ano, wala kayo, let's expect.
Api no Team Alcid, okay lang. Awon security
Don't you know,
na.
Cap, you're the only kapitan who's done this. Ikaw lang. Cap, you're the only kapitan who's done this to us. And syempre, when we make, you know, when we walk, syempre the people won't want to talk to us because they're tapos.
Kasi namin tapong pumayang ako kapitan kami. Kakatuwa din po namin na kita pulis ka na sarulo ka kami na para
Sir. Siyempre, kailangan kayo.
kasi nagtaga na dito.
Yeah, never mind that. Kaya nga po. Hindi pa, papakita ko.
Di kaya tayo lang pantay-pantay lang. Nagsaya at lang umay ito ya.